was mostly my ego that wouldn't let me do this. But then I kind of got to thinking about it, and I'm like, who the hell are you? Nobody important anyways. Nobody great, not doing, and maybe I could probably help some other people, because I have a feeling that I'm not the only one that these people are doing this to. So I think if you put them on blast and you start teaching people their rights, you're pretty dangerous when you know your rights. There's a reason they don't teach it in school, you know? And I originally started getting into law when my son dropped out of high school, and I had to fight the state, because boy did they come after me. And I homeschooled, but they didn't like that I didn't teach their curriculum. So then they had CPS come after me. Not to mention the baby daddy's a stickler, but that's beside the point. Anyways. So basically I ended up learning the law. And the state wasn't going to tell me how to raise my kid. And it was the best decision I ever made. For him. Or he made it, actually. I just had to be by his side for it. And I'm sure he doesn't know the quadratic formula, but do you remember it? I know there's a song that goes with it. Anyways, so I'm getting way off track here. But I have been studying law for quite some time, just because I found that it's something that I liked, and all the most stickiest situations in life generally involve you needing a lawyer or something, or you think you need a lawyer, and then you get a lawyer, and it's always kind of a half-assed deal, where you never quite get what you paid for, or you do, and you are one of the lucky ones, but 9 times out of 10, you get a lawyer, and it sucks, especially if you have a public pretender. And many people don't know this, but the second you get an attorney, you are considered a ward of the state, and you're incompetent. And it means you cannot speak for yourself. You need somebody else to speak for you. So, corpus juris secundum in American jurisprudence is where I learned this. So I've spent some hours in the law library. Anyways, it's hot here. It's 88 degrees right now, and it's 8 o'clock at night. Anyways, where was I? Oh, okay, I fought state, and I won, or at least I managed to. Now my son's 20, and it doesn't matter, so good luck with that, guys. And what else? Okay, so now here we are. Well, I guess we'll go all the way up to 2017, when, oh, I gotta turn the air on, guys. Okay, I'm dying here. You better get the fuck, where are you going? Where are you going, dumb? Oh my god. So, my best friend is following me, and she's totally in the wrong lane because she was jamming out too hard. Anyways, so 2017 rolls around, and I'm going through a breakup. It's rather devastating with my boyfriend at the time. I won't mention his name. And so I applied for a home ownership program through Douglas County Housing Authority. And this home ownership program is called Gretna Crown. And the Crown, there are 15 single family homes out in Gretna. And they're all 4-bedroom, 2-bath. And you rent them while you put money into an escrow every month. And at the end of the whatever period, you are able to either buy the home that you're in or purchase any other house, and they're supposed to help you with like down payment assistance and stuff. And so I had to move out of my boyfriend's, and I was looking for a place, and I thought, okay, what the heck, I'm gonna apply apply for this program, and that was in 2017. And it wasn't until 2021, like right as COVID started, actually, March 30th to be exact, of 2021, was when the first day we moved in. We were told about it in mid to late February, that our name had reached the top of the wait list. So we waited 4 years to get into this program. And when I say we, I mean myself and my son at the time, because he's still a minor, and then my mom, because she had been slowly, ever since 2019, slowly getting a little bit more dependent on eating things and getting old. And she's not married, and she doesn't have a husband or anything. So, anyways, I kind of been quasi, taking care of her. So, anyways, 2021 March 30th, we move into this place, and all is well. 3 years go by. Well, not quite 3. Almost. Well, we made it almost. We did make it over 3. But in December, my mom spends most of the month in the hospital because now she's getting real old, and she's sick a lot. She can't walk anymore. So we asked for a handicap ramp for our house. We offer to pay for it because she's got a HRA from her time from Southwestern Bell to US West to Quest to CenturyLink. So she's got money there that we can. So we offer to pay for a handicap ramp. And the same day we asked for a handicap ramp, we also asked for a garage door, because somebody, it wasn't my mom, she'll swear up and down, her foot did not slip off of the brake and she did not run into the garage. But somehow, magically, that dent got there. So we asked for those 2 things, and within 10 days, we had a new garage door. And time keeps going by until finally, I'm tired of it, because it takes 2 people to get my mother down the stairs at this point, and this is absurd, that she should be able to have full enjoyment and use of our own house, especially we're going to own it someday. So I file a complaint with Fair Housing and HUD, and call up the NEOC. At that time I didn't file a complaint with them yet. Anyways, so I file these complaints, and things kind of maybe start to get bad. But prior to the filing of these complaints, with my mom being in the hospital all of December, on December 28th, I send my landlord an email, kind of just letting her know everything that's been happening, and by now my mom's been diagnosed with cancer, and these guys are great, aren't they? Funny. Look at this. Oh, I can't turn it around. It's great. Awesome. This is cool. This is super cool. Super cool. No, I'm just sure you got it. Well, guess what? I'm gonna turn around downtown. Bobby Brown. What do we got here? So here we are. Fast forward, I'll tell you some more story, but I gotta edit. I'm at my house right now, and apparently I have abandoned my property, and And now they've thrown all my shit away, and it's in 2 dumpsters because they never let us get our stuff out of the house besides 3 days for an elderly disabled woman, myself, and my son. We're going to be able to move our entire life's contents of 3 years that we've been living there, of a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. We're going to be able to move it all in 3 days. In 3 separate single days, mind you. So anyways, so let me show you what we're looking at here. Here we are. Look at that. Isn't that nice? What can we see? Can you see stuff? Do you see my stuff? Do I got cool things? Is there cool stuff in there? Well, this ought to be fun. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a little bit.